Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create your IMO account. So first of all, launch IMO application. Once you come here, choose your country from the list given over here. After this, all you would have to do is enter in your phone number. Once you do so, tap on this Done button at the bottom right. Over here, you can also sign up with email. So just enter in your email address. If you wish to, you can also continue with your Google account as well. Once done, tap on this Done button at the top right. Now you would have to enter the verification code sent to your email address. Make sure you check your email for that. So you will be getting an email like this. From here, you'll see a code like this. Copy it and then launch IMO app again. Paste the code. Now, start by entering your full name. Then tap on Done button at the top right. Now, if you wish to, you can also add your avatar visible to friends. If not, just tap on Done at the top right again. So now with that, you will successfully be able to create your IMO account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.